Welcome to today's video. We're diving into the Mediterranean diet, everything you need to know. You may have heard that the Mediterranean diet has been named the best diet by U.S. News and World Report for 5 years in a row. Studies show that this diet can lead to a longer, healthier life, and people who follow it often rave about the delicious variety of foods they get to enjoy. One of the primary reasons for its popularity is how inclusive it is. There are no major restrictions, and it allows you to eat until you're satisfied. Improves body composition and reduces obesity. Not only will you lose weight, but you'll also protect yourself from various diseases. Reduces risk of cardiovascular diseases. Helps lower the risk of heart diseases and related mortality. Counters age-related weight gain, especially beneficial after the age of 40. Controls blood sugar levels. Alleviates symptoms of type 2 diabetes. Improves joint health. Anti-inflammatory foods in the Mediterranean diet, such as olive oil, nuts, and fish, can help reduce symptoms of arthritis and other joint-related conditions. Boosts skin health. The diet's focus on fresh fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats provides essential vitamins and antioxidants that can improve skin texture and appearance. Enhances mental health. The Mediterranean diet is linked to lower rates of depression and cognitive decline, thanks to its rich supply of nutrients that support brain health. Promotes longevity. People who follow the Mediterranean diet tend to live longer due to the combined effects of reduced risk of chronic diseases and overall healthier lifestyle choices. The high fiber content from fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains promotes a healthy gut microbiome, improving digestion and immune function. Let's explore what makes the Mediterranean diet so beneficial. Plant-based foods focus on vegetables, fruits, legumes, pulses, nuts, whole grains, and seeds. Plant-based oils use high-quality extra virgin olive oil or other non-inflammatory fats like avocado oil. Seafood include options like tuna, salmon, sardines, mussels, shrimp, and scallops at least twice a week. Portioned dairy enjoy yogurt and cheese, but in moderation. Reduced sugar and refined grains. These cause inflammation and oxidative stress, leading to chronic health issues and weight gain. Limited animal-based foods. Chicken and eggs are fine, but limit red meat and always accompany it with plenty of plants. Moderate alcohol consumption. Women should have no more than 1 5-ounce glass of wine per day, and men should limit it to 2. High-quality ingredients. Opt for fresh and healthy ingredients to ensure the best taste and health benefits. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on our latest content.